Let's make something important. How is the AI going to work? The AI is going to present options in windows, like these two windows here, with some patterns that are derived from whatever I just said. Let's put in some better input. Let's make a game.
Let's make a game.
Here. So this here,
let's asterisk,
looks like a useful pattern. So the user would click plus. However, right now these buttons do simply nothing. And I'm thinking about what to do with them. In the interest of separation of concerns, we do the simplest thing, which is just stored in a log file. Let's say we call that log file user plus log. For the positive feedback. User plus log txt. And we do the same for negative feedback. Let's keep it in two different files. One of those decisions that maybe probably don't matter that much, whether to put in one or two files, but let's do this for now. Here's a source code of this module here. Oh, let's start with this one, which is pretty much the same. And fill these buttons with life. Oh, look at all the emotions. So, button 1, button 2, button 3. Let's say true for plus. We already have a feedback module, but it takes a whole list of things. It's a little more involved. Let's make this simpler log for individual little feedback items. Log user feedback true, false. Some decaf. I limit myself to 1 cup of coffee a day for health reasons. Yeah, what do we need in the feedback? Certainly we need the item itself. Let's just make a free form list here. Item is the line. The date will be automatic. And this window wouldn't hurt, right? Module. Yeah, module ID. Why not the name too? And we'd want to see which input it came from. We also have that. Made from input. I try to find out how to avoid duplicating this, but maybe I'll just duplicate it for now. Duplicate code, oh god. Programmer's brain hurts. Okay, now we need this function. Plus or minus, and some freeform parameters. We select the right log file. And we have something like log structure with date, I'm sure. Yep. We make a map of all the things. I think I want to add the computer ID if we end up copying these log files around. Feedback. We want to show a little box to show that it was saved. Feedback on, let's say the first element is the most important one. First value. Very rough, but whatever. Compile, yes, no, maybe. Compiles. This one doesn't. Yep. Some bracketing problem. Bet you $5. Yes, it worked. Okay. So let's, something is a useful pattern, with this here being some verb phrase. Let's say plus. Let's make is also a good pattern. And actually this one is also a useful pattern. How about these here? Oh, they don't have the functionality yet. So basically this thing should be a standard function. Oh, last words. Reloading. So these are, in this case, not really useful patterns. Let's make a game. Make a game. But why not? Let's say these are not so good. It doesn't matter. It's just everything is relative in this system. Something that is correct or not correct in one context can be different in another context. That's one crucial feature to make a general AI work. It has to be flexible in terms of context. So maybe let's check out the file. Files, I should say. Here we are. Plus log. That is reasonable. And that's also very reasonable. So already 1% done of all the AI modules. I'm still trying to complete this as quickly as possible. AI is coming. Stop recording. Oh, stop recording.
Stop recording.